You think underwater bridge piers are just built straight from the seabed up. Think again. The truth is far more intense. First, workers have to create a dry zone underwater. They drive giant steel sheets deep into the seabed, forming a sealed ring called a cofferdam. If those sheets aren't hammered deep enough, ocean water can easily break through. Then, high-powered pumps drain the water inside, exposing a dry worksite. But the steel sheets have seams, tiny gaps where seawater can sneak in. To fix this, engineers install a second ring of steel inside the first. They fill the space between with sand and concrete, sealing every crack. Now, not a drop of water can get in, but it's still risky. Once the water is gone, the pressure difference between the inside and outside becomes massive. If the structure isn't reinforced, it could collapse, so they add heavy steel braces inside to hold it up. Still, seawater can seep up from the seabed. That's why workers first pour a thick concrete base at the bottom to block it off. Only then can they start building the actual pier, first with steel bars to form the frame, then molds, then concrete. Piece by piece, the pier rises. Afterward, the cofferdam is removed. Sounds simple? It's not. The whole structure is under crushing water pressure. If one joint is loose or a crack appears, the entire thing can fail. Worse, even a flawless structure can't fully resist seawater corrosion. Salt slowly eats into the steel. If a weld develops even a hairline fracture, pressure could tear the cofferdam apart in seconds. Seawater would flood the site instantly. Workers wouldn't have time to escape. Some could be swept away, others buried alive under collapsing steel and concrete. That's the brutal reality behind every sea-crossing bridge, a deadly fight between humans and the ocean.